I'm Danny Muldoon.
And I'm Bobby Brown, and this is Science. Start?
Oh, alright. Well, now we pour more water into this one, and then once we add the water, then it really starts to, you can see more carbon dioxide gas is actually coming out. It's fine now, since all the pressure can just come right out, but once we cap it, then it becomes dangerous.
Just have to wait for the pressure to build up within the bottle. Oh, that was loud. A lot of water in there. Okay.
Remember,
all the pressure is going to be released in the form of sound and force. Alright, let's get closer.
alright, that's far enough.
Oh, that was really loud.
This is the result of science. Alright, this time we have a much larger bottle. We're going to put it under a bucket. Now we have attached a weight to the bottle and put it in water. The bottle obviously completely exploded. Alright, because the carbon dioxide and the dry ice was sublimating, it continuously built up in the pressure, and then the bottle couldn't contain it, so obviously it exploded. And all the force and the energy was released in the form of an impulse, and that impulse acted on the bucket when it flew up in the air. And so we're going to figure out the impulse that was directed. So we knew that from the video that the time was 3 seconds of it in flight, and so we cut that in half, and then we take this equation, and then we manipulate it, and we solve for h, and that gives us the height. So now that we have the height, we can figure out the initial velocity, and then we just rework this one until the point where the initial velocity is 14.7 meters per second. And now that we have that, we can come down here and find the impulse, where the final velocity is 0, so that goes away, so it's just the impulse is equal to that. And the impulse is 20.58 newtons. I'm Danny Muldoon.
And I'm Bobby Brown. And this has been Here it goes.